Thinking of having your carpets cleaned? These are 5 common carpet cleaning questions in Doncaster. Well, let's have a look at the 5 most common carpet cleaning questions in Doncaster. Now the first one, how long will it take my carpets to be clean and dry afterwards? Well, clean should come with the territory. Drying times, there's a few things that depend on that, and you'll just have to read down the little article for that. But let's move on. So how is a professional carpet cleaning equipment better than machine hire? Lots of information in the article about that. Essentially, it's all to do with power and training and so forth. Very important one here. Will my carpets shrink when they are cleaned? Well, they shouldn't do. Not if the person that's cleaning your carpet is trained properly. At Doncaster Carpet Cleaners, we make sure. So here's another one. Here's another question about carpet cleaning in Doncaster. Are carpet cleaning chemicals safe for my children and pets? Well, all of these carpet cleaning chemicals are different, but if you choose someone that's properly trained, reliable, insured, and an NCCA member, you can be sure that you will get the best products that are not going to harm anything. So that's the 5 common carpet questions in Doncaster.